Alrighty guys, so I went outside and set the ladder up after running around getting my stuff. Now, I have the adhesive with me and I went outside and pulled this pipe through quite a bit. So, I think we're ready to rock and roll in terms of siliconing the piece in place here, as far as I can tell. I can do a dry fit just quickly, just to see how everything's going to line up. I think my piece has to go out a little bit. Yeah, so if I push him back ways. There we go. So that will work. And then I'll obviously twist him outside onto the fitting. But for now, what I need to do is put that adhesive on the stove down here. And it came with the kit, so it's not like a, it says, I think it's a high temperature silicone, and I hope it is. It says it's a translucent, let me grab it. Translucent adhesive. And this is the stuff that came with it. Camera, there you go. So, this is what supposedly I gotta use. And I gotta put it around the OD, outside diameter of the pipe here. First I'm gonna have to cut this. And we'll go ahead and do that. Oh man. I'm starting to miss my glasses because that almost hit me in the eye. So, what I'm going to do actually first is I'm going to do the insides of this pipe here. There we go. It definitely smells like silicone. That vinegary smell. I'm going to put it on the inside of this piece, and also on the outside of that, the pipe coming off the fireplace. But for now, let me okay. I don't think I need a whole ton, but I kind of dabbed it all in around in there. Now I'm going to do the obviously the pipe here. Set this guy down carefully. And I'm going to kind of do like a up and down motion with this stuff. I actually don't think you need to do this. myself after running the fireplace doing the first burn outside, because I didn't have any smoke leakage whatsoever that I could see. There we go. So to get the 90-degree bend, to get in behind the stove here, I basically just bent the tube and it squeezes some out at the same time, so that's kind of nice. So, open the tube back up. I'm just gonna brush off some of this excess. And then I'm going to put the fitting on. And then I have to tighten up the gear clamp still as well. So hopefully all goes well. I got quite a bit of excess there. So let me grab my straight blade and fix that. I want to kind of get that excess and scrape it upwards so it's not popping out the bottoms. Get this off there too. There we go. I'm sure it's starting to set with being exposed to oxygen. And what I'm going to do is scrape some more off. Because that's quite a bit. And I need to go outside and push the fitting inside the tiny house and then twist so it will lock in place. So I gotta move the camera up and jump outside, and hopefully you guys will be able to see that. So I will be back. See it. I did a shove in and a twist, so we should be good there, guys. I'll just come back inside and make sure. I gotta say, stairs would be nice one of these days. Yeah, I pushed in and it's twisted, so now if I'm gonna gear clamp, I'm gonna tighten the gear clamp up on the bottom here, and that should hold everything in place once I tighten this up. It's a straight blade screwdriver on a gear clamp. Better spot there. There we go. pretty much solid now, guys. Yeah, that's not going anywhere. So I got the gear clamp pretty much tight all the way around there, which is good. And I just want to go back outside and give the connection. Here's the outside pipe, and it's pushed in. Well, I guess I can turn it a little bit from here. Just want to make sure that's, now that the gear clamp's holding it tight, I'm just going to go out, push in a little bit and give it a twist just to make sure we're locked in, and then I can secure the outside fitting. So you guys will be able to see on camera what I can't from the other side, from the outside of the trailer. I will be right back. Just gotta come back inside, see what it looks like. Hopefully nothing moved. And then I'll have to set you guys up outside. How do we make out? Yeah, that looks good. Yeah, both sides look good. Excellent, guys. So I'll grab the camera and show you guys quickly what that looks like. So here we go, guys. Now we got a little bit of air going on there, or daylight, I can see a little bit there, but it shouldn't be too bad. I can always stuff that with some non-flammable stuff. But there's the gear clamp that I had to tighten from back here with a straight blade. My straight blade's just long enough. Our B-vent's clipped in, turned in tight, and it's held outside, fastened so it can't move or twist on me. and I'm just letting the adhesive cure around there just as an added bonus. And then inside I did leave the gap, guys, remember, off the wall, so that's kind of important. But that's the way it is. But that looks really nice. Really nice. So that's what it looks like. I moved the elliptical out just a bit so I can work, and the laundry tub, and I'll move that back. But that's nice height for me. It's right up here. I'm right at height level. I can get in, check it out. There's my burn from last time, and I gotta clean this window up. But pretty nice. So I'll take you outside, and it says I got about, I don't know, 16 minutes left on the camera, so I'll bring the power pack with me to keep this charged, and we'll show you what I gotta do outside next.